An average healthy man can ejaculate enough sperm in 2 weeks to impregnate every woman in the world. Ejaculated sperm survives only for a few hours outside the body, but once it enters a woman's vagina and makes its way up to her cervical mucus, it can live for up to 3 to 5 days. Sex increases your immunity to pain. Orgasms trigger hormones that help you increase your pain threshold. Ever wonder why it is difficult to urinate immediately after having sex? That's because when you orgasm, an antidiuretic hormone is released in your body. Peeing after having sex prevents you from catching urinary tract infections. A woman's breasts can swell up to 25% when she is turned on. Sex is one of the best stress busters. It lowers your blood pressure and calms you down. Now that's another reason to have sex. Post-workout is a great time to have sex. Working out releases testosterone in your body and also circulates blood into your genital area. Having sex at least 3 times a week can make you look 4 to 7 years younger. Having sex also triggers creativity, according to some interesting studies. Have a presentation at work tomorrow? Maybe the answer lies in between the sheets. If you're sexually attracted to someone, it is much more difficult to lie to them. A woman's sexual drive reaches its peak just before her period. You only need all the sperm that could fit into an aspirin capsule to repopulate the earth. Your inner nose swells while having sex. On an average, you burn 100 calories in a single sex session. At the time you orgasm, an average person's heart beats at the rate of 140 beats per minute. A man approximately ejaculates 17 liters of semen in his entire life that contains about 500 billion sperm. About 2 tablespoons of blood is required to get a penis erect. A woman's clitoris contains over 8,000 nerve fibers, almost the twice of that of a penis. On an average, you burn 100 calories in a single sex session. At the time you orgasm, an average person's heart beats at the rate of 140 beats per minute. A sperm can travel up to 7 inches in an hour's time. A man approximately ejaculates 17 liters of semen in his entire life that contains about 500 billion sperm. About 2 tablespoons of blood is required to get a penis erect. A woman's clitoris contains over 8,000 nerve fibers, almost the twice of that of a penis. A woman can orgasm in about 4 minutes through masturbation, but it will take her 10 to 20 minutes to orgasm during an intercourse. Sex hasn't always been associated with sin and guilt. Pre-Christian religions often regarded sex as a celebration and as a form of worship. Sex was seen as mirroring the sensual power of the gods. Women suffering from migraine have a higher sex drive. Most women prefer a dark place over a well-lit-up place to have sex in. The testes increase by 50% in size when a man is aroused. Men reach their sexual peak at 17 years of age. Married people masturbate far more than people living alone. The fear of having, seeing, or thinking about an erection is called epiphalophobia. The average man has 11 erections per day and 9 erections a night. Some people orgasm while working out due to the repetitious core movement. A teaspoonful of semen contains about 5 calories. Women who have sex at least once a week have more regular menstrual cycles. Average male orgasm lasts for 6 seconds, whereas an average female orgasm lasts 20 seconds.